Hello, guys. Guess what I'm gonna do today? My lovely friend gave me this revolver, all full ammo. And I'm gonna use every single bullet.
I don't think that's a good idea. I don't think you should use every single one. Or at least leave one. At least leave one.
Okay, I'll leave one.
Woohoo!
I'm gonna use it on the good old chicken. The one monster we test all weapons on.
Yep.
Oh,
Yikes!
Ooh, that was a good save.
Oh no! Yeah!
There you go.
See what he dropped. It better be another revolver.
Apple.
Oh.
Yum,
Oh,
yum,
what's this
apple.
button do?
Yum yum apple. How much bullets do I have left? I have. Oh shoot. Okay. Now let's shoot again.
Oh, look at this banana! I can make the banana fly. Look at this. Oh,
Hey,
no, I
wait,
didn't.
guys, we'll shoot this.
Where's the? There's a pogo stick. That's nice. Banana.
I got 2 bullets left, baby. No, what? Here you go. You can take
Yeah,
it.
let's go make some money. Oh, you want to? Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, I used 2 bullets. No, there's 2 bullets left.
Okay. Well, what do I want to do?
I'm gonna stop filming real quick.